Greetings and welcome to my channel. My name is Coach Kali Carter, and today I will be reviewing and giving you my overall thoughts about the Fierce Reflex bag. This bag was developed by Henry Garcia, who is the father of Ryan Garcia. And I'm pretty sure all of you guys know who Ryan Garcia is. He is a boxing phenom who has a huge social media following. And you guys seen all his videos of him working out with this bag. Well, this bag was delivered to me last night. This morning I got a chance to put it together and work out with it. Now, I know what you guys want to know. You guys want to know if this bag is worth the hype. You know, is it worth all the money? Is it overhyped? Well, watch me work out with it, listen to my thoughts, and you guys make that decision. So let's get started. Here we are with the pieces laid out. You have 6 pieces that were delivered. You have the bag here. As you can see, I had to tie the bag to the upper pole. Now, when I first got the bag, I filled it up with air. Do not fill it up with air until you have it attached to the pole. As you can see, the spring itself is integrated with the upper pole. Here we have the base where we insert the upper pole. These are 2 pieces, the knob itself and the lock washer. You use these to set the height of the reflex bag. Finally, you have the base bag, which you fill with sand to hold the unit in place. When the bag is filled with air, the bladder overlaps one side of the upper pole. The bladder overlaps on the side opposite of the string. So as you can see here, I had figured that the side that the bladder overlapped was the front of the bag. So I started working and punching the bag as if that was the front. However, when I was working, I noticed that I guess somehow the bag spin and the string side was actually the front of the bag, or at least that's how it looked right off the bat. I had to do some further testing. Okay, so here's my thoughts. I do love the bag. I really do. It's fun. It's going to get me in shape. I mean, it makes you work. It will hit you if you don't move that head. The most important thing to me is very enjoyable to work with. And when it's enjoyable, it's not work. I have to work. I need to get in shape. I need to move. Before this pandemic, I was working on my bags about 12 rounds. And this was after I go between 45 to 60 minutes on my airdyne. And I was getting in pretty good shape. But during this pandemic, I had Zoom classes, and that really just threw me all off. And working with this bag, I was way out of shape. I could feel it. I could really feel it. But like I said, it's very fun to work with. This bag is very fun to work with. And when something is fun to work with, it's not work. I'm going to work on this bag all the time. Now, I bought this bag to take to the gym. I have two bags. I have the ringside Cobra bag, and now I have this bag. I'm probably going to take this bag to the gym and see how it holds up, because I'm not sure if the ringside bag will hold up in a gym setting. I checked that. That ringside looks pretty sturdy. But this bag, it looks like it's gonna hold up in the rings in a gym setting. So we'll see. I'll get back with you, and actually I'll make way more videos featuring this bag. But like I said, the bag would probably be at my gym. So stay on the lookout. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and if you got any question, please ask your question. I will answer all of your questions. I'll answer all of your questions. I'm gonna let the video play out.